Hello, I'm Jan Hare with Keller Williams Realty. Now that you've made the decision to sell your property, selecting the right realtor to market your home is probably the single most important choice you will make. Ultimately, the agent you select will determine if your home sells, and if it does sell, at what price. As a marketing specialist, I pride myself on showcasing all of the elements of every property I work with. What will surprise most consumers is that whether we're in a good market, a bad market, or an average market, 90% of all the real estate sold in North America is still being sold by the top 10% of the realtors. I began my career in 1996, and my first year in the business, I was Rookie of the Year. I have lived in Cobb County since 1994 after relocating back to the U.S. from Australia. I've made real estate my career, and year after year, I'm ranked as a top producing agent in my office, with more than 10 years as a multi-million-dollar producing agent. In 2011, I studied to receive my broker's license designation, as I believe it's imperative to be well educated so as to provide clients the best representation available. I truly believe that you deserve superior customer service, and with that level of service, I can be your agent of choice for all your real estate needs. Over the next few minutes, I would like to show you how working with an experienced realtor like myself will help make the sale of your home a smooth and stress-free experience. When we meet, I'll be able to supply you with the facts, statistics, and proven marketing techniques that will help guide you through the selling process. By working together, we will eliminate any concerns or apprehensions you may have. Buyers are much more sophisticated and knowledgeable than ever before. That's why marketing has become the driving force behind selling any property. The days of putting out a sign in front and an ad in the paper and waiting for the buyer is long gone, replaced by technology that offers us many new marketing avenues. For example, there's Facebook, Google, Twitter, Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, and many more websites and search engines available. When asked specific financing or technical questions about your property, you need a real estate professional that has the knowledge and experience to handle the situation fast, because buying a home is an emotional decision for most buyers. Delays in obtaining the right information can cost you a sale. There are many complex issues that need to be addressed properly. It is also very important to prepare your property before putting it on the market. I can help you stage your home so it will yield the best presentation and give you the competitive edge needed in your marketplace. Also, selecting the best price to enter market is crucial. That's why I go to great lengths to gather information and statistics about the other homes that you will be competing against, as well as the recently sold properties. All of this allows us to determine the best price to market your home so you can compete successfully with other homes on the market. After we determine the best price to ask, we can review my personal marketing plan that is designed to attract serious and qualified buyers. I will use various forms of advertising to publicize the sale of your homes. Often overlooked, but critical to get your home sold, is marketing to other real estate professionals in the area. This is a direct avenue to reach all of their pre-qualified and motivated buyers, as well as those from my own office. I take the most aggressive approach to marketing and selling my clients' properties. My reputation on selling homes fast and for top dollar is no accident. I pride myself on staying on the cutting edge of technology and staying abreast of an ever-changing market. I know what it takes to convince buyers that your home is in fact the best value in the marketplace. It is important that you feel comfortable and confident with my knowledge prior to hiring me. I welcome the opportunity to meet with you personally to answer any questions you may have concerning my marketing plan for your home. Again, I'm Jan Hare, and I look forward to meeting with you soon.